Welcome, seekers of the highest truth. You've stumbled upon knowledge that few are ready to receive. This wisdom, passed down through generations of mystics and sages, holds the key to unlocking your true potential as a creator of reality. We're about to explore the profound concept of mentally controlling energy and how it allows reality to bend to your will. This isn't mere positive thinking or visualization. We're talking about tapping into the fundamental fabric of the universe itself. Everything you see, touch, and experience is, at its core, energy vibrating at different frequencies. Once you truly understand and internalize this truth, you'll realize that the solid world around you is far more malleable than you ever imagined. The ability to mentally control energy is the cornerstone of what some call 33rd degree knowledge. This refers to the highest level of esoteric understanding, traditionally reserved for those who have proven themselves worthy through years of study and practice. But today we're breaking down these barriers. This knowledge is your knowledge. It is a conscious being, and it's time for you to claim it. As we begin this journey, I want you to set aside everything you think you know about reality. To open your mind to possibilities that may seem impossible at first. Remember, what we call impossible is often just the limit of our current understanding. Let's start with the foundation of this knowledge, the nature of energy itself. Energy is not just something that powers your devices or heats your home. It's the very essence of existence. Every thought you have, every emotion you feel, every action you take is an expression of energy. And here's the key: this energy responds to your consciousness. Think about that for a moment. Your consciousness, your awareness, your focus, your intention has the power to influence energy. And if everything is energy, then your consciousness has the power to influence everything.
Click subscribe to this channel to get more profound spiritual lesson.
But why don't we see this power in action more often? The answer lies in our conditioning. From birth, we're taught to see the world as fixed and unchangeable. We're told that we're separate from our environment, powerless to affect it beyond our physical actions. This belief creates a mental barrier that prevents us from accessing our true creative potential. Breaking through this barrier requires a fundamental shift in perception. You must start seeing yourself not as a passive observer of reality, but as an active participant in its creation. This shift doesn't happen overnight. It requires consistent practice and a willingness to challenge your deepest held beliefs about the nature of reality. The first step in this process is developing awareness of energy. Start by paying attention to the subtle energies within and around you. Feel the life force flowing through your body. Notice the different energy signatures of the people and places you encounter. As you cultivate this awareness, you'll begin to sense the interconnectedness of all things. Next, focus on your thoughts and emotions. These are your primary tools for shaping energy. Every thought you think sends ripples through the energetic field that surrounds you. Positive thoughts raise your vibration, aligning you with higher frequencies of creation. Negative thoughts lower your vibration, attracting experiences that match that lower frequency. But it's not enough to just think positive thoughts. You must learn to hold your focus on your desired reality with unwavering conviction. This is where many stumble. They allow doubts and fears to creep in, sending mixed signals to the universe. To truly bend reality, your thoughts, emotions, and beliefs must all be in alignment. This brings us to a crucial question. If your thoughts and emotions are shaping your reality, what reality are you currently creating? Take a moment to reflect on this. Look at your life circumstances. Are they a reflection of your highest aspirations or of your deepest fears and limiting beliefs? As we conclude this first part of our exploration, remember that mentally controlling energy is not about forcing your will upon the world. It's about aligning your consciousness with the natural flow of universal energy. When you achieve this alignment, Reality doesn't bend to you, it bends with you, effortlessly manifesting your deepest desires. As we delve deeper into the art of mentally controlling energy, we must understand the intricate dance between mind and matter. This knowledge, once guarded by ancient mystery schools, reveals that reality is far more responsive to our thoughts than we've been led to believe. At the quantum level, particles exist in a state of infinite possibility until observed. This phenomenon, known as the observer effect, suggests that consciousness itself plays a crucial role in shaping reality. By mastering your mental energy, you become the conscious observer, collapsing waves of probability into your desired outcomes. The key to this mastery lies in understanding that your mind is not confined to your brain. Your consciousness extends far beyond your physical body, interacting with the quantum field that permeates all of existence. This field responds to your thoughts, emotions, and intentions, constantly reshaping itself to mirror your inner state. To harness this power, you must first cultivate a state of deep inner stillness. In the silence between thoughts, you'll find a vast reservoir of potential energy. This is the void from which all creation springs. Learn to access this space at will, and you'll tap into the source of all manifestation. Once you've touched this inner stillness, focus on directing your mental energy with laser-like precision. Visualize your desired reality not as a distant possibility, but as a present fact. Feel the emotions associated with this reality as if it's already manifest. The more vividly you can imagine and feel your desired state, the more powerfully you'll imprint it upon the quantum field. But be warned, this power comes with great responsibility. The energy you send out into the universe will inevitably return to you. If you project fear, anger, or negativity, you'll attract experiences that match those vibrations. This is why it's crucial to maintain a high vibrational state, aligning yourself with frequencies of love, joy, and abundance. One powerful technique for directing energy is the use of sacred geometries. These ancient symbols serve as templates for creation, organizing energy into specific patterns. By visualizing these geometries infused with your intention, you can amplify your manifestation power exponentially. Another vital aspect of mental energy control is the mastery of your emotional state. Emotions are energy in motion, and they have a profound impact on your reality. Learn to transmute lower emotions into higher ones. Transform fear into courage, anger into determination, sadness into compassion. As you elevate your emotional state, you'll naturally attract higher vibrational experiences. Remember, the universe doesn't distinguish between what you want and what you don't want. It simply responds to the energy you project. This is why it's crucial to focus on what you desire, rather than what you fear or wish to avoid. Your attention is a powerful magnet, drawing to you whatever you consistently focus upon. As you practice these techniques, you may encounter resistance from your old patterns of thinking. Your ego, clinging to its familiar reality, may try to doubt or dismiss your new understanding. Recognize these doubts for what they are, the last gasps of an outdated worldview. Push through them with unwavering faith in your creative power. Here's a profound truth to consider. Every moment of your life is a choice point, a chance to redirect the flow of energy and reshape your reality. With this knowledge, how will you choose to direct your mental energy from this moment forward? What reality will you dare to create? As we conclude this segment, remember that mastering mental energy control is an ongoing practice. It requires patience, persistence, and a willingness to step outside your comfort zone. But with each small success, your confidence will grow, and your ability to bend reality will strengthen. As we ascend to higher levels of energy mastery, we encounter a profound truth. Our personal power reaches its zenith when aligned with the greater cosmic forces. This alignment is the essence of true creation, where the boundary between self and universe dissolves. To begin this process of cosmic alchemy, we must first recognize that we are not separate from the universe, but an integral part of it. Your consciousness is a localized expression of the universal consciousness that permeates all existence. By tapping into this connection, you gain access to limitless creative potential. The key to accessing this potential lies in understanding the rhythms and cycles of the cosmos. Just as the planets move in orbits and galaxies spiral through space, there are underlying patterns to the flow of energy in the universe. By attuning yourself to these patterns, you can ride the waves of cosmic energy, amplifying your creative power exponentially. One powerful method for aligning with cosmic energy is through the practice of what ancient mystics called as above, so below. This principle suggests that the macrocosm of the universe is reflected in the microcosm of your own being. By harmonizing your internal rhythms with the external rhythms of nature and the cosmos, you create a resonance that allows energy to flow more freely through you. Start by observing the natural cycles around you, the phases of the moon, the changing seasons, the daily movement of the sun. Align your energy work with these cycles. For example, new moon periods are ideal for planting seeds of intention, while full moons are powerful times for manifestation and release. Another crucial aspect of cosmic alignment is understanding the concept of divine timing. Often, our ego-driven desires push us to force outcomes before conditions are ripe. True mastery involves developing the discernment to know when to act and when to wait. Trust in the perfect unfolding of the universe, even when things don't seem to be moving as quickly as you'd like. As you deepen your connection to cosmic energy, you may begin to experience synchronicities, meaningful coincidences that seem to guide you towards your goals. These are signs that you're in flow with universal energy. Pay attention to these signs and follow where they lead. They often guide you to opportunities and resources you couldn't have consciously planned for. One powerful technique for merging with cosmic energy is what I call quantum breathing. Visualize with each inhale that you're drawing in the infinite potential of the universe. With each exhale, see yourself releasing your intentions into the quantum field. This practice not only centers you in the present moment, but also strengthens your connection to universal creative forces. Remember, as you work with these cosmic energies, that you are not trying to control the universe, but to dance with it. True power comes not from domination, but from harmonious co-creation. Be open to outcomes that may differ from your initial vision. Often the universe has even grander plans for you than you can imagine. This brings us to a fundamental question. If you were in perfect alignment with the cosmic flow, effortlessly co-creating with the universe, what would your life look like? How would you use this power to serve the highest good of all beings? As we integrate these cosmic principles, we must also be mindful of the ripple effects of our creations. Every thought, every intention, every manifestation sends waves through the fabric of reality, affecting countless beings across time and space. This interconnectedness calls us to create with wisdom, compassion, and a sense of responsibility to the whole. In this final revelation of energy mastery, we confront the ultimate paradox. True power comes through surrender. This isn't the surrender of defeat or passivity, but a profound letting go that aligns you with the infinite creative force of the universe. To understand this paradox, we must first recognize the limitations of our ego-driven will. The ego, with its fears and desires, often struggles against the natural flow of universal energy. It tries to control outcomes, to force reality into a shape that matches its limited perspective. But in doing so, it actually restricts the flow of creative energy. True mastery involves surrendering this need for control. It's about aligning your personal will with the greater will of the universe. When you surrender in this way, you become a clear channel for cosmic energy, to flow through you. You're no longer pushing against the current of life, but flowing with it, allowing it to carry you to heights you never imagined possible. This surrender requires immense trust. Trust in the wisdom of the universe. Trust in the perfect unfolding of each moment. Trust that even apparent setbacks are guiding you towards your highest good. As you cultivate this trust, you'll find that life becomes effortless. Manifestation happens naturally, without strain or struggle. One powerful practice for developing this trust is what I call quantum surfing. Imagine yourself riding the waves of possibility in the quantum field. Instead of trying to control the direction of the wave, focus on maintaining your balance and enjoying the ride. This state of joyful non-attachment allows you to navigate the ever-changing currents of reality with grace and ease.
As you deepen into this state of surrender, you may experience moments of profound clarity and oneness with all that is. In these moments, the illusion of separation dissolves, and you recognize your true nature as pure awareness, the space in which all creation occurs. From this perspective, you see that you are both the creator and the created, the dancer and the dance. This realization brings us to a crucial understanding. In the highest state of mastery, there is no you controlling energy. There is only energy flowing through you, expressing itself in perfect accordance with the needs of the moment. Your role shifts from controller to witness, from doer to allower. But make no mistake, this state of surrender is not passive. It requires constant awareness and a willingness to let go of your attachments, expectations, and limiting beliefs. It's an active process of releasing what no longer serves and opening to new possibilities.
As you practice this surrendered state, you may find that your manifestations become more aligned with the highest good of all. Your creations no longer stem from ego-driven desires, but from a place of universal wisdom and compassion. You become a conduit for the evolution of consciousness itself. This brings us to the deepest question of all. If you were to completely surrender to the flow of universal creation, allowing it to express itself freely through you, what might become possible? What reality might you co-create with the infinite intelligence of the cosmos? Remember, this state of surrendered mastery is not a destination to reach, but a moment-by-moment choice. Each breath is an opportunity to let go and align with the cosmic flow. Each thought is a chance to surrender your limited perspective and open to infinite possibilities.
As we conclude this exploration of energy mastery, I invite you to reflect on how you'll integrate these teachings into your life. How will you dance with the paradox of power and surrender? How will you use your newfound understanding to create a reality that serves the highest good of all beings? The universe awaits your co-creation. The dance of existence continues, and you are both the choreographer and the dancer. Create wisely, create lovingly, create with the full awareness of your true nature as a cosmic creator. And always remember, once you master mentally controlling energy through surrender, reality doesn't just bend to you, it becomes you.